Assalamu alaikum students. On the behalf of Dr. A.Q. Khan School System Banigala campus, I welcome you all to the online class of subject English for grade 5. In the previous lesson we have done the reading of chapter number 2. Today we are going to start the exercise of chapter number 2. I request all of you to please bring your books and open page number 11. Let's start reading. Unusual set of twins. Twins are babies who are born at the same time to the same mom. Most of us know about twins who look the same and sometimes dress the same. But there are also unusual set of twins that are born every so often. For example, there are twins who look alike but it's the opposite sides of their bodies that are alike. They are called mirror image twins. If one has a birthmark on the right arm, the other twin will have the same birthmark on the left arm. Another type of twins is dwarf twins. A dwarf is a person who does not grow at a usual rate, so his or her body is sized differently than other people's. Sometimes one twin has a disability and the other doesn't. In one case, twins are born and both were dwarfs, but this doesn't happen very often. Sometimes twins are joined together at one part of their body. They are called Siamese twins, and they can often be separated, but they are twins who share the same heart or another important part of the body. They must stay together. Siamese twins are not born very often either. All twins usually grow up being very close. They might like the same things, choose similar jobs, or dress alike. Being a twin must be one of a kind experience. You can see the underlined words. What you have to do is you have to look for the meaning of these words and make sentences. Now, come to the comprehension exercise number A. Finish these sentences with the fact from the story. Number 1. Twins are people who are born. From the reading thing, you can answer these, filling the blanks. Twins are the people who are born at the same time to the same mom. Number 2. Twins that are exactly the same on the opposite sides of their bodies or mirror image twins. Number 3. Twins that are joined together are Siamese twins. Exercise number B. Read the definition and match the words for their definition. The words given are dwarf, unusual, disability. Number 1. A person who is shorter than the usual person is called a dwarf. Number 2. Different or strange, not the usual, which is unusual dwarf twins. Number 3. A physical problem that may keep a person from doing certain things, which is disability. Now come to the next page, page number 12. Look at the exercise number A. Replace the highlighted words with the new words. Number 1. The students. So the highlighted words are who designed the best roller coaster gets a special trophy. So as you can see, who designed the best roller coaster is highlighted. You have to replace these words from the words given below, which is who wins the race, who helped with the charity project, who were on the winning team. You can put these three words in this sentence. For example, the students, number 1, who win the race gets a trophy. The students, number 2, who help with the charity project gets a special trophy. Number 3, the students who were on the winning team gets a special trophy. Number 2, did you ride the elephant? So the highlighted word is that has bells on his feet. So you have to change that bells on his feet from 1, 2, 3 words which are given below. Now look at exercise number B. Add a relative clause to the sentence. Circle the noun it tells about. So now I am telling you what relative clause is. Relative clause gives us information about a person or thing mentioned. For example, who, that, which, when. Who is doing that thing, where that thing is placed, which thing you are talking about, or when incident happened. Look at number 1. Have you met my cousin who is a tightrope walker? So cousin, the circle one is the noun, and who is the relative clause is a tightrope walker. They completed the sentence, which is a question. What you have to do is you have to do second, third and fourth on the book. Later on when you will come to the school, then I will check it. Now exercise number C. Match the relative pronoun with how it can be used. Relative pronouns are given who, which and that. You have to match it with the descriptions given below, like used to describe people and thing, used to describe people, used to describe thing. You have to match accordingly. Now open page number 13. Creative characters. This is a kind of comprehension given as a practice. What you have to do is you have to read it all by yourself and you have to answer the questions which are given in exercise number A. For example, character's name. What does the character think about? What do they look alike? Number 4. Other information about the character. Now come to the next page, which is page number 14. On page number 14 you only have to do is exercise number B, which is using the words and phrases in the box finish the following story. So there is a story given to you and you have to use the words which are given in the highlighted box, which is fast, few, not so fast, first thing, couple, crazy, bags, merry-go-round, keep my feet on the ground. So you have to complete this story by using these words, which later on will be checked by me when you will come to school. Now open page number 15. On page number 15 you have to do exercise number D, in which you have to put the relative clause in the right order, then rewrite these sentences. As an example, they have done the first one, which is the clown. The words are given unicycle, who, the road, could also juggle. So you have to rearrange these sentences by using these words which are given in the highlighted brackets. Then exercise number E, circle the wrong word and write the correct one in the on the line. You have to read the sentence and you have to write the wrong word. You have to circle it and you have to write the correct one in the dash given at the end of the sentence. For example, Mary and Paula, which are swimming next week, will practice every day this week. So the wrong word is which is circled, and the right word is who, which is written in the dash. You have to do these exercises on the book for your practice, which later on will be checked by the teacher and will be given remarks when you will come to school. Dear students, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school contact number. We will address your queries there. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week in the next chapter. Take care. Allah Hafiz.